Welcome to our channel. If you want to cancel your ConvertKit subscription and stop your email marketing service, follow these step-by-step instructions to properly manage your account cancellation. Step 1. Log in to your ConvertKit account using your email and password on the ConvertKit website. Step 2. Click on your profile icon or name in the top right corner of the dashboard. Step 3. Select Account Settings from the drop-down menu to access your subscription management options. Step 4. Navigate to Billing in the left sidebar to view your current plan, payment method, and subscription details. Step 5. Look for the Cancel Account or Downgrade Plan option. If you want to switch to the free plan instead of canceling completely, select Downgrade. Step 6. If downgrading to the free plan, ensure your subscriber count is under 1,000. If you have more subscribers, you'll need to remove some before downgrading. Step 7. Click on Cancel Account if you want to completely close your ConvertKit account. ConvertKit will display information about what happens when you cancel. Step 8. Provide feedback about why you're canceling. Select a reason from the drop-down or provide custom feedback in the text box. Step 9. Confirm your cancellation by clicking Yes, Cancel Account or similar confirmation button. Your account will typically remain active until the end of your billing period. Step 10. Export your subscriber data before cancellation becomes final. Go to Subscribers and export your email list as a CSV file for your records. Step 11. Save copies of any important email sequences, broadcast emails, or automation workflows you may want to reference in the future. Step 12. Check your email for confirmation from ConvertKit verifying your cancellation and noting when your account access will end. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.